This is the pelvic curl. For the pelvic curl, the setup is that I want my knees and my feet in line with my sit bones. My arms are actively reaching away, my fingertips are together, no tension in the neck or the shoulders. I'm going to take a deep breath in and exhale. As I exhale, I have the sensation that my pubic bone is curling up to my forehead, and then I'm lifting up my spine one piece at a time. As I'm coming up into a diagonal, my knees are reaching away and over my ankles, and then taking a deep breath in here. And exhale, use your breath and your abdominals to come down with control, imprinting each piece of your spine into the mat and inhaling at the bottom. Exhale, curl up. If you have any back issues, feel free to just hinge up and down with a flat back. But for today, I'm going to articulate up and down so you have an idea what that looks like. Inhale at the top. You can feel this stretch here in your hip flexors, knees reaching away, and then exhale. Come down with control. So the movement is slow and in control. Exhale. Use your breath to help. In Pilates, breath is so important. Coming up into my diagonal, feeling like my heels are even reaching towards my bottom. And then inhale at the top. And on your exhale, and actually throughout the exercise, you want to keep your feet and your knees in line. So avoid splaying in. Inhale at the bottom. We'll do 2 more. And exhale. Coming up with control. Tuning into your hamstrings and your quads to help you stabilize yourself. Inhale here, just really enjoying that reach, opening up our hips. And exhale, pressing each piece of my vertebra into the mat. And 1 more. The pelvic curl is a very fundamental exercise in Pilates. And that is the pelvic curl.